जी जनाब, पहुँचे हैं फैंटास्टिक कैवर्न्स पे। इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं टूर शुरू होने का।
Look ahead, baby. Yeah?
We have entered the caves.
We'll make it nice and easy for you guys. Our first one's right up here. We're gonna get past that, head to our first stop, and get this started. This left side does keep coming down a little bit further, everybody. Once you guys get past that, I'm going to slowly start raising.
What a great experience. नीचे हो जाओ।
This is a great thing about being Ah, take that.
Everybody, we would grow plants and produce here inside the darkness of our cave, but without any natural sunlight, there's only a limited number that's able to grow down here. But does anybody know the main type of plant we've been growing inside of our cave, everybody?
Wow.